What's up guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to log in on WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. Okay guys, after watching this video how to download and install WhatsApp on your PC, we now have how to log in on your WhatsApp from your phone. After you install WhatsApp like me, just open it and you will see here scan your code. Use your phone. Okay guys, all what you need to do, just scan this code with your WhatsApp app on your phone. I show you now on my phone. Just open your WhatsApp on your phone and go here in right corner, click this and go here in settings. And you will see here in right corner QR code scanner, click this and go to scan code. After you scan this code like me from your PC, click continue. Click here link device, click here OK, and you will see this message logging in. After that, you are connected on your PC or laptop on WhatsApp. And that's it all guys for this video, how to log in on WhatsApp on your PC from your phone. Easy and fast. I see you in the next video and bye guys.